இந்த வீடியோவை வழங்குவோர் மக்கள் செல்வன் விஜய் சேதுபதி நடிக்கும் ஜுங்கா.
Like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Behind Woods.
Hi Sujit, any words on his behavior with Yashika? What is bad in that? Have you seen Yashika complaining about him doing anything wrong to her? I think it's fine as long as both of them are fine. Who are using Mahat account? His PR team is using his account. So today I came live to talk about Mahat. There are so many speculation and people are asking so many questions about him and all those things. So I just came to say hello to everyone because his family is in Australia, so they could not talk to everyone. And so I took the responsibility because he is my boyfriend. And hi Ashwini, yes, I am Prachi Mishra. And yeah, I mean, I just came to say hello to people. Tell Mahat not to flirt with Yashika. Hey Arvind, I cannot tell him because he's in the house. But kindly know it's certainly awkward. This Tamil Nadu, not America for this kind of activity. Sorry, God. Oh my God. Okay. So there are a lot of youngsters who are liking him on the show. So if you don't like him at all, you can just switch off the TV. That's perfectly fine. There's no need to be so worried about it. Are you okay with Mahat and Yashika flirting? No, I'm not okay with them flirting. But I know my guy very well. So I have figured out how Vijay TV shows us is not what it is. For example, them coming out of the smoking room, and I had like my Instagram was flooded with pictures of arrows showing Mahat Yashika coming out of the room. But I want to go and like really punch those people to trouble me so much for stupid reasons. Like they should first do the homework and then come. But that's okay. I can't expect much from those people. Hi Arima D. Cruiser. He loves me and Yashika is a friend. What do you mean by his behavior, Throna? It's normal. Both of them are happy. Nobody is eve teasing or molesting anybody. Will Mahat get evicted today? I don't think so. He's gonna get evicted. He's gonna be there. Mahat be normal. He's acting in. This is how he is. He's funny. He has more female friends than male friends, and all the female friends feel safe around Mahat. That is very important. And that's one reason why he's mostly with girls, because he is like this outside also. Yeah, Mahat has a short temper. I agree, Throna, but that's okay. People have their own negative points, which is not that bad. If he gets angry fast, he says sorry also. So that's fine. Thank you, Nalini. Waste of time, honey. Oh my God. It's okay, Praveen. I'll still manage. When you both met first, we met 1.5 years ago in Dubai. Mahat and STR are friends from last more than 15 years. So they are like really close to each other. Marriage, let's see, hopefully next year. How do I manage Mahat's anger? He doesn't get angry on me. That's fine. Who is my favorite contestant? I like Daniel. I like Danny. I like Sharik, Mumtaz, Ma'am, Mahat. But he uses hurting words when he gets angry. Yeah, but if you saw recent episodes, people are saying so many bad things to each other. This is human brain. It's complicated when you're inside a house without seeing anybody else around. You don't know how will you behave. So let's not judge people right now. I like Yashika and Aishwarya both. I couldn't see your name, Mr. Saeed, I think. Best quality of Mahat. Mahat is very generous. He's very genuine, and he's a very fun-loving person. He's a very happy soul. Last 2 days full of fun. Yeah, he was funny from last 2 days. And somebody asked me my opinion about Mahat and Janani friendship. That's a great bond there, because I see them supporting each other, which is very important to have somebody. I'm just missing Mahat. I'm not feeling hurt or jealous. Why Mahat always hate Vaishnavi? It doesn't hate her. It's like he doesn't like her. A lot of people are not liking her. I have no idea why. Mahat's really attached to Yashika at the Big Boss house and has kissed from her until he's lying beside her and everything. People. Oh, Aniti Nair. I really feel sad. It's just fun. I don't know why you guys taking to your heart. You know him from last 30 days, right? And you're seeing few gestures which is being shown the way Vijay TV wants to show it. So even if somebody is sitting nicely or just holding hands, the way they want to show it, they will show it to you. 24 hours, you just see 1 hour. So how can you judge a person on the base of the things you're seeing on the TV. Anyway, I don't want to answer these questions. Let me see more. That's a very good question. How do I see the negative comment? Sometimes I feel really upset and I want to go and punch that person. Sometimes I reply to those people. Sometimes I feel really hurt or bad. Sometimes I start trusting those people. But it's a very conscious decision to come on a live chat with people to establish a point that we as a couple, as a girlfriend boyfriend, we know each other, so these negative comments will not change anything. One more reason, I'm talking to you guys on behalf of his family who go through this pain every day, because when you guys comment something bad, mom, dad reads about it, his sister reads about it, and it's hurtful to see things. But that's okay. We belong to an industry where this is part of our life. That's fine. So I take the comment the way it is. It's fine. We need negative comments to like the positive comments, right? Are you Tamil or English? I am Hindi. Thank you guys for all the support you're giving to Mahat. And thank you to all the haters also. It's perfectly fine. We cannot love everybody, right? So it's okay to not to like somebody, but I would really request not to go so harsh on somebody, be it any of the contestants. Don't hurt the family or people close to that person. It really troubles. So imagine yourself in the same shoes before becoming so nasty about people. I think Danny is playing really well, and Janani is playing very safe, so I'm not sure. Sairam Kanan, any plans for Mahat Army? I don't trust this Mahat Army anymore, because initially 2-3 people made Mahat Army and I tried to support them, but when people started talking bad things about my guy, they just closed the account and started some other thing. So it's tough to find loyal people. So anybody who's running Mahat Army or doing things for Mahat, thank you so much for support and love. But I mean, that's what fans do. That's what I do for my favorite actors. That's what I'm doing for Mahat, because I love him and I'm his fan in Big Boss show right now. So I'll support people who are supporting my boy, and wherever I can like or comment on your post, I will do it. But to do something especially for Mahat Army, no, I'm not doing it, sorry.
Come on, like பண்ணுங்க, come on, share பண்ணுங்க, come on, comment பண்ணுங்க, come on, subscribe பண்ணுங்க. It's all good. Come on, follow Behind Roots. It's all good. Come on, follow Behind Roots. Yeah.
That's right.
இந்த வீடியோவை வழங்குவோர் மக்கள் செல்வன் விஜய் சேதுபதி நடிக்கும் ஜுங்கா.